What is street theater in relation to gang stalking and how to handle it? Street theater is when gang stalkers put on a show in front of the target that seems like a natural occurrence, but is a highly orchestrated fake performance specifically designed as a harassment tactic geared towards the target. It is usually carried out in a public setting in front of other unsuspecting people in an attempt to get a negative reaction out of the target. Street theater always has an ultimate objective and is done repeatedly to the target to trigger negative emotional states such as paranoia, fear, anger, frustration, and desperation. This is also orchestrated for the TI to react out of character in a way that will be viewed as irrational or criminal by outsiders. The purpose is to frame or set up the target to display a negative reaction to the street theater in front of unsuspecting bystanders. It is also designed to have the target labeled by those close to them and by people in the community as paranoid, unstable, and schizophrenic, and to get the TI to lose their job, get them evicted from their housing, arrested, or put in a mental institution, and to force the target into isolation. The perpetrators document the target's reactions and patterns to the street theater so they can effectively carry out the next planned attack. These street theater attacks are always used to shift the target's mindset into a state of hypervigilance, emotional instability, confusion, depression, and paranoia for ongoing and future manipulation of the target. Gang stalkers work with corrupt officials who turn a blind eye to their crimes and sometimes even participate in the takedown of the target. Possible solutions. If you encounter street theater, number 1, do not overreact to it. Recognize it for what it is, which is a targeting tactic that is an attempt to force you to appear unstable. Number 2, never lash out. Calmly respond in a rational manner only if absolutely necessary, otherwise do your best to ignore it. Remember, there will always be fellow gang stalkers appearing to be innocent bystanders watching close by, who will also be videoing and taking photos of you to capture anything you say or do. Number 3, if what is happening in the moment is noteworthy and can possibly be used as evidence, take out your cell phone and video what is happening. Calmly narrate to your camera what is happening, especially if there are verbal threats, physical altercations, or harm to your property, etc. The purpose is, you will have evidence to show law enforcement that the same types of bizarre things keep happening to you. You may also need proof in the case of an orchestrated car accident or something similar. Also, recording and keeping detailed notes may help identify any of the same people that continuously harass you. Note, there are times when having evidence may not help, but even if having evidence doesn't help you get justice, it is better to have it than to not have it if you ever need it. Also, it may deter some of the street theater from happening and make some of the perpetrators think twice about participating in it since they don't like the target to have solid evidence. Number 4, remove yourself from the environment as soon as possible. Number 5, this is the most important thing you can do to fight back. Gain a strong relationship with the Lord and stay prayed up. Please leave your comments, thumbs up the video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.